Yeah, I'm trying to make some custom trim along the edge of just drywall. Let's have a look, see what I'm talking about. Right up along here, the ceiling that I put up there, it's a bit uneven, but I'm not worried about that because that's going to caulk it on. But I had to measure it so that I could put a cord around there, and then I wanted a piece to go in there, and I think it's very small. Might be hard to work with, but I think that's going to be just fine. But I got to do that piece first. However, I'm going to do it. Maybe 5.5. 5.5. So that, you can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, that kind of close. Oh, do that every time. Pinch yourself. So far so good. Got this little wee piece up there. I'm going to put the quarter round that I cut under there against that drywall. Let's see how that works. I think I want it this way. Yeah. 3 that, like that. Okay, we're going to mark it. We're going to mark it like that. Look at that. Okay. And I think I have to bring it up to here. And then we have to fill that gap. Because I think that's the only real way to do it. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it came out. That's not bad. It's a few voids. You see some here and further down. We'll let this caulking set up, and I'll do another application. There are kind of big gaps to fill. Once this is all touched up, it'll just finish off the ceiling, kind of nicely. Anyway. So as I'm going along, I feel a piece of roughness here, and I don't want to peel it off. I want to actually cut it off with a knife. You need a sharp blade. If I try and peel it off, it's going to make a mess. I'm not good at this. I don't even pretend to be good at this. So is it going to look nice? I know a couple of things, like what's actually going to go here. So here we're going to have hanging cabinets right on the ceiling. So that's going to hide all of this, most of it. I'm not that really concerned. You can give me all the comments you want, good, bad, or otherwise. I can generally take it. Just don't call me names. That's it.